one of the most important things that we monitor and track through the development of your case is your medical treatment. That is perhaps the most important thing because that forms the entire foundation and the heart of what your entire case is. Until you are completed with treatment, or at least at the point where there's not going to be anything more or anything better that doctors will be able to accomplish for you, there is very little that makes sense in developing your case, at least on some major developmental level. A lot of times we'll get a call from a client who will want to know what's going on with my case, what's the new major thing? And we'll ask, aren't you still in treatment, or haven't you just started treatment with this doctor or this orthopedic surgeon? Well, yeah, I'm starting to see them. Well, you need to complete treatment. You need to get to a place of knowing what your total medical picture actually is before we can effectively do any of the major developmental steps in your case. The last thing we would want is to have you begin treatment, guess what's going on, grab the first offer, settle your case, and then if you have major complications, you're just up a creek. What we prefer to do is monitor your treatment, make sure you get through all of your medical care that you need, that you reach a place of recovery or maximum potential recovery, and then we start looking at the whole picture of your damages and the whole picture of your case and whether there's a real basis for future care at that point. So as long as you're treating and as long as you're in that acute phase of care, there will be some minor things that happen, but there won't be any major developments in your case because we don't want to miss things that are important. We don't want to skip over you getting well. We would much rather have that full picture and to be able to serve you from the place of understanding rather than from a place of guessing. So, if you're done with treatment, then we're definitely moving along and we're going to look at options for litigation or how that will unfold. But if you're still treating in the acute care, there'll be little things like I said, but the major things will start to develop after your care is complete.